Smile or while?
It is smile.
It is smile. This one?
No.
Very good. You are identifying a right word. So this boy, this is the smile. While means later, like while coming. So that's a separate word. Okay. What is this?
It is a cake.
It is a cake?
Yes.
Okay. How many of you like the cake? Please comment and tell me what is your favorite flavor of the cake. I really like the cake, cheesecake. And Elena, which cake do you like?
Strawberry flavor.
Strawberry cake?
Yes.
I remember you like chocolate cake as well.
Yes.
Yeah, I know. So